viewers, myself Drashti Joshi, and in today's video I am going to discuss about one interesting topic which is film study. So this task is assigned by Dr. Dilip Barat sir, and for this task I have chosen one interesting movie which is Sher Shah. So first question arising in our mind is what is film study? So let me introduce to all about film study. So according to Wikipedia, film study is an academic discipline which is deal with historical, theoretical and critical aspects of a cinema as a form or a medium. So this film Sher Shah is directed by Vishnu Vardhan, written by Samrit Srivastav and a cinematography by Kamaljeet Nayyar. This film is released on Amazon Prime in 2021. So this Sher Shah film is totally based on war, a Kargil war, and it is a biographical Hindi language Bollywood film. This biographical film is based on Captain Vikram Batra. Let's start with studying some of the frames from the movie. So here is the first clip which I have taken as a frame study. The first frame is a close-up shot of Vikram Batra, played by Siddharth Malhotra. In this shot, we can see Vikram Batra is wearing an army uniform, and we can witness a determination in his eyes. The second frame is a montage sequence. Montage sequence is basically quick cuts and fast-paced editing with background music who create a dynamic and impactful narrative. And in this clip, or we can say a frame, we can see that the CO, commanding officer, who is Mr. Joshi, is suggesting or explaining about how they have to do a war and how they have to go. So after that, a quick changes into a scene, and we can we can see soldiers are preparing for war, and after that a quick changes into a scene, and we can see a close shot and a drone shot of the people are climbing over a mountain. So with montage sequence in this frame, we also hear a non-diegetic sound.
Always.
The third frame is based on field of vision. Throughout the Sher Shah movie, you will notice that in movie they used varieties of shots, or a wide angle shot, close up shot, and so for example we can see the landscape of nature. So here in this clip, as well as other clips are also there in movie. So in this clip also you can see a vastness of nature, like mountain is there, and forest, or everything is there. So we can see that the field of vision is described by a wide angle shot, and after that another field of vision is also shown in the battlefield. So the battlefield sequence also is there in there you can also see or hear the sound. This sound is a diegetic sound. We can say that the diegetic sound is that we can see or we can hear. So in this sequence of war or battlefield sequence, we can hear the sound of gunshot, bullets, and this bomb and everything. So these are a diegetic sound, and also this is also a field of vision, like it is also shown from the higher angle, so or shot from the upper angle, or we can say a higher angle. So a wide angle is also shot from for this battlefield. Let's move on to the fourth frame. So this is the fourth frame. So in this frame, this is the last scene or a death scene of Vikram Batra. So here in the frame we can say we can see a lightning. So the lightning of this frame is very low and very dull. So we can understand a nuance of a frame. So like when we see a death scene, so close up of the the frame, or we can say a camera focuses on the Vikram Batra's face, who is lying on the floor, and on his face we can see the victory, and also with the victory we can see a pain or a sorrow, and everything what he gave to the land or his motherland. So in the frame we can see the lightning and the focus and the close-up shot of Vikram Batra's face. So let's move on to the fifth frame. So this is the last scene of movie Sher Shah. This scene is a funeral of Captain Vikram Batra, and in this scene we can see this is a field of vision also, like this is also a shoot in original place where Vikram Batra's funeral was held, and also this film was also shooted in this we can say same place. So in that one frame is there, so here you can see, and in this frame we can see all around the people are wearing a white color and white color clothes, but when Dimple came, his girlfriend, she is wearing a red color dupatta. So in that frame also we can say a shot by like this frame is like that, then when everyone is wearing white color but contrasting, she is wearing a red color dupatta. So this is also a emotional connection with Vikram Batra she has, and also a red color is also a color of love. And another perspective of looking at this frame is also like we can say that the red color is also eye-catchy color. It is like when we see someone is wearing red in all over white background, so it is a eye driven, or we can say a viewer's eye are going towards her character. So it's also reflecting her character as a lover of Vikram Batra, and also a devotee lover, we can say. So this is for the frame study of Sher Shah movie. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.